Hi, Tim here with Clive Coffee. We're going to show you how to drain the boiler on your ECM Classika. Draining the boiler will be useful for shipping the machine. If you need to pack it up, it's important to have that boiler completely drained so that it does not freeze in shipping. It's also important if you are going to be removing any boiler components. Having the boiler completely drained will keep it cool and remove any water and steam pressure that's in that boiler. With the boiler at its full coffee temperature, right around 200 degrees, you have your boiler heated up. We'll go ahead and at this point power it down, turn that switch off, and remove our drip tray, top tray, and finally, remember to remove your water tank. We'll go ahead and tip the machine forward over a bucket, about 45-degree angle, carefully holding that in place, and simply open up your brew valve. The boiler will drain at a steady rate. Continue to hold it in this angle until you don't see any more water flowing through the group head. Once it's down to just a trickle, you've gotten most of the water that you can safely remove from the boiler. We'll place the machine back on its feet. We'll close that group head lever. And that's how you drain the boiler on your ECM Classika. For other information on using your ECM Classika, check out the links here. For more tech tips, visit our knowledge base at clivecoffee.com.